Before we even think about CBC, what have we done for the free basic education for our children?
Only a very small percentage of students make it to either universities or the tertiary institutions, leaving hundreds of thousands of young people every year in our communities to rot away in illicit liquor, drugs abuse, early pregnancies, and recruitment to crime and terror gangs.
I suggest that you consider advising the government to, 1, incorporate in the curriculum accessible, affordable, and reasonable teaching methods and aids. 2, concentrate most of the formal teaching and learning within schools. 3, train teachers and other education sectors officials to appropriately. And 4, station the junior secondary schools within the primary schools for the reasons stated below.
Tumepata maoni ni mbalimbali na vile katika matayarisho ya walimu na katika matayarisho ya ICT na vifaa vya elimu. Wametoa maoni yao na tumeweza kuyapokea na sasa tunaendelea kuyakoleti pamoja.